Hi guys, it's Matthew again. It's our fourth strategy for today. For those who haven't subscribed to our channels, make sure you subscribe to all our channels. And the fourth strategy, we are back on the MetaTrader interface, and is the deriv MetaTrader interface. For those who don't have a deriv account, the first thing you should do is to go to this link. We are going to paste this link in the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a MetaTrader account as well, this is the link. Just click on the link, check the video description on YouTube, click on the link to sign up for a free trading account. So once you sign up for a free trading account here, then you click on the top left corner where you see the D trader, go to the D Mt5. Once you click on it, then after signing up using the first link, you go to the D Mt5, then you click on real account, then you open a Mt5 synthetic account. Make sure you open the synthetic account, Mt5 synthetic account. So once you open it, you to generate your login and the server, the trading server. Then all you have to do is to fund your account, then you click on the Mt5, then it will open this interface. So once this interface is opened, and the next step is to start trading. So the first thing is to go to option, then this one-click trading. Make sure you unmark it. You can see we've unmarked it. It's usually marked on default. Make sure you unmark it. So briefly before we proceed with this strategy, the TOUCHSCALPER bot, you can see the TOUCHSCALPER bot, which works on both deriv and binary.com interface. You can see some of the results right there. It's an automated trading bot. All you have to do is to, after purchase, you just launch it and click on play. You can see some of the results right there. It's 1st September 2021. It's today. The bot works effectively around 1 GMT, that's +1 GMT, that's in the morning. So you have to, in the morning, you have to wake up early in the morning, +1 GMT. You can see we made some few bucks right there. We actually change the buy price, so you can change the buy price once you order the bot. If you have enough funds in your account, we change the buy price to around 18 point something. So you change the buy price after just change the figure after the random fraction to change the buy price before you click on play. Just click on it once and type the amount. Don't press delete, just type the amount and click on play. So you can see the deriv result as well. That's deriv results right there. So to order the bot, it's just 9.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.co.ng. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and other payment options. The PIPSREAPER bot as well. You can see the PIPSREAPER bot. It trades on digits. It also works on both deriv and binary.com interface. You can see some of the results today, 1st of September 2021. We change the buy price there as well. Today's results, we change the buy price to 8.50. You can change it. The default is 5.50. So under the initial amount, you just click on that figure, then you type the amount you are willing to stake if you have enough funds in your account. So to order the bot, it's just 7.99 USD. All you have to do is to visit binarypipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng. You can see deriv results right there. I stated earlier, don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bots, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bots. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account as stated earlier, and don't forget to open the Mt5 synthetic indices account after signing up. These are the links to subscribe to our channel. This is the first link, this is the second link, and this is the third link to our 3 channels. Subscribe for more strategies and updates on our bots and other online making money infos. So we are back on the Mt5 web trader. This is the interview. We are going to be trading the boom 1000 right there. This is it right there. So all you have to do is, you can see these are all the market watch right there. All you have to do is to right click on this, then you click on new order. So once this thing jumps up, we are going to click on sell at market. Once it goes up, you can see the movement is down. So once it's up, we're going to click on sell at sell by market. So once it's up, make sure you enter the volume. We've set our volume to 2. So if you have enough funds in your account, you can increase this volume. So actually we are not setting the stop loss because we are going to be on the PC to close the trade once we are in profit. So it's up, so I click on sell right there. You can see it jumps right up, then I click on OK. So this is the trade. So this is still minus. Once it change to profit, we are going to be closing the trade immediately. You can see we are close to profit right there at 0. That's 0.2. I want more profit. So if you want to take that, maybe 0.2, if that one is okay, you just close it. Then you close. So you can see we made 0.2 something bucks right there. We made 0.2 something bucks right there. So you can go on and on and on using this strategy. So before you go for the next trade, make sure this thing drops down and goes up again. Once it's up, then you enter the amount. This volume means the amount you are willing. If you increase it, you are going to stake more amount. If you change this to 20, like that 0.26 we made here, maybe around maybe 20 USD. Once that thing goes in profit, you just quickly close it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.